George Broderick, along with Peter Manx and Andrew Scarf, interviews Mona Douglas about Manx traditional songs. Here she tells about some of those she collected.
Connect fog to renew Chaglam Ren Shin.
Well, yn tref mi mos jai blent yn leis, hyrenni gol y sgoil, ac rwy ma hei, lyg chynda small y gol y sŵl. As the Kenjak Marish ni ysteren at na Gillian Heshri at Balarak as on Slaxa. As master na Brian Broderick Sava yn tred. As for Adson the Manic Gol of Rain, les ten the Rain in Gilgak, and I Fremish Ginsaka as Kunyakton a yed kidden. On Satara, the Dania thy Pertnahinsha, Chit Bagir, yes, Scadan. In ag fod Ulian Italian Kershi store was Summit Gouda. Fenem Ren, mine Huna Mendach Ella, Chaglam Kuglik, Kujak, Magate the Tobin, as Gola Ren. They egg Chaglam Mershen, cool me in a Ren show. Then the Ren, the Kenjak Maturek, as the Manic Jen Clyde Payakanak. There us in a Ren show. Chen ben, 3 blinking feet of scare, Gola foolish a care, as how thou pickled bull and jay, oh, fear of a jack pay.
Here, Mona sings the Manx milking song with suitable hand accompaniment. She collected this song, as she tells, from the Margaret's Quail of Glen Alden around 1925. In this song, the singer encourages the cow to give as much milk as she can. She will be rewarded with more barley if she can make the churn brim over.
My Vanya, how does miss the Golaren? Licken kennish lay harish, yes the Vanya na loving. Vana chimish karotsnish, as Mecca spirit new, as more abundant fishy, the Vanya my Vanya, lesh case on a new, Jen the hoodsha the herba palcha, as youst to leon, Vana chivish karotsnish, as mac as spirit new, as more abandoned to be she the